Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Ubuntu 20.04, Python is usually pre-installed. However, sometimes you might need to add Python to your system's path to execute Python scripts or commands from any directory in your terminal. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding Python to the path environment variable on Ubuntu 20.04. Before adding Python to the path, ensure that Python is installed on your system. You can do this by opening a terminal and typing. This command will display the installed Python version. If Python is not installed, you can install it using the following command. Once Python is installed, you need to determine the installation path. Typically, Python is installed in /usr/bin/directory with a symlink named Python3. You can verify this by running. The output should look like /usr/bin/python3. To add Python to the path, you need to modify the .bashrc file in your home directory. Open the .bashrc file using a text editor such as Nano or Vim. Add the following line at the end of the .bashrc file. This line adds the Python installation path, /usr/bin/python3, to the beginning of the path environment variable. After adding the line to the .bashrc file, save the changes and exit the text editor. In Nano, you can do this by pressing Ctrl+O to write the file and Ctrl+X to exit. To apply the changes, either close and reopen your terminal or run the following command. This command reloads the .bashrc file, making the changes to the path environment variable effective immediately. To verify that Python has been added to the path, you can run. You should see the Python installation path, /usr/bin/python3, at the beginning of the output. Now you have successfully added Python to the path in Ubuntu 20.04. You can execute Python scripts or commands from any directory in your terminal without specifying the full path to the Python executable. ChatGPT. Title: How to add Python to path in Ubuntu 20.04. A step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language with a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. When you install Python on your Ubuntu 20.04 system, you need to ensure that it is added to the system's path environment variable. This allows you to run Python and its associated scripts from any directory without specifying the full path to the executable. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of adding Python to the path in Ubuntu 20.04. Step 1. Check if Python is installed. Before adding Python to the path, it's essential to ensure that Python is installed on your system. Open a terminal window and type the following command. This command will display the installed Python version. If Python is not installed, you can install it using the package manager, apt. For example, Step 2, determine the Python installation path. Once you have confirmed that Python is installed, you need to determine its installation path. You can do this by running the following command. This command will output the path to the Python executable. Typically, it should be located in /usr/bin/python3. Step 3, edit the .bashrc file. To add Python to the path, you will modify the .bashrc file, which is a script that runs whenever you open a new terminal window. Open the .bashrc file in a text editor. You can use any text editor of your choice. For example, Step 4, add Python to the path. Scroll to the bottom of the .bashrc file and add the following line. Replace /path/to/python3 with the path to your Python installation directory. For example, if Python is installed in /usr/bin/python3, the line would be. Step 5, save and exit the editor. After adding the line to the .bashrc file, save the changes and exit the text editor. In Nano, you can do this by pressing Ctrl+O to write the changes and Ctrl+X to exit. Step 6, update the .bashrc file. To apply the changes made to the .bashrc file, you need to source it in the current terminal session. Run the following command. This command reloads the .bashrc file, and the changes to the path variable will take effect immediately. Step 7, verify the changes. To verify that Python has been added to the path successfully, you can run the following command. You should see the version of Python that you installed earlier without any errors. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to add Python to the path in Ubuntu 20.04. Adding Python to the path allows you to run Python and its associated scripts from any directory in the terminal without specifying the full path to the executable. This can enhance your productivity and streamline your development workflow. ChatGPT